Dr. Joey Kramer, Hope Upper Cervical Spine Center. If you've had a concussion, you have heard the advice, go home, sit in a dark room, and rest. But here's the truth. Rest is not a strategy for structural and functional healing. While your brain may need a break from screens, your upper cervical spine, the very thing that took the hit with your brain, cannot rest itself back into a place of optimal alignment. Now, if you've been resting for weeks and you still have concussion symptoms, you're not healing slowly. You're actually ignoring an underlying upper cervical problem. Today, I'm showing you why passive waiting is failing you and what proactive recovery actually looks like. I want you to take a moment and I want you to think about that physics subject that we all took junior year. Your head weighs about 10 pounds, kind of like a bowling ball, and it sits on your atlas bone, which weighs about 2 ounces. During a concussion, your head moves with enough force to bruise your brain. Do you really think that that same amount of force didn't affect the 2-ounce bone that is holding your head up? It's a mechanical certainty that if your brain was shaken, the neck was whipped. You can sit in a dark room for a year, but that 10-pound head is still sitting crooked on a misaligned base. That, my friends, is a mechanical issue causing a functional problem that requires a mechanical solution. When you just rest with a misalignment of your upper cervical spine, your body starts to compensate. Your shoulders tilt, your lower back shifts, and your nervous system begins to accept this crooked, broken state as the new normal. This is how a 2-week concussion turns into a 2-year chronic struggle from the functional standpoint of your physiology. I see patients every day who rested for months and sometimes years, only to find that their dizziness, their headache, and their brain fog became permanent because the structural kink and the physiological misalignment was never addressed. Time does not heal your upper cervical spine. It only makes it more permanent when it is misaligned. Proactive recovery means quantitatively measuring the damage. In our office, we use functional thermography plus precision imaging to see exactly how that 10-pound bowling ball is sitting on your upper cervical spine. We don't guess in my practice. We look for the structural reason why your symptoms aren't going away. And then, by properly restoring the atlas to its normal biomechanical position, we take the physiological stress off the brainstem and restore optimal function. We aren't waiting for you to get better. We are proactively removing the interference that is stopping you from reclaiming your health. If you've been resting and you're still not back to 100%, the wait and see method has absolutely 100% failed you. It's time to be proactive. It's time to look at the structure. Click the link below to schedule yourself a complimentary consultation so we can finally start this process of getting you healthy. Let's stop waiting to start fixing, and let's start taking action on restoring the normal function of your body. Once again, I'm Dr. Joey Kramer, Hope Upper Cervical Spine Center, and I'll see you in my office, helping you reclaim your health.